Okay, here we go. So we're doing a mango colada today, and that means we've got ice inside the blender, and we've got some fresh mango. So we're gonna put that in there, get a shot of that. Okay, then we've got this Cocoa Real Gourmet Coconut. Give that a little shake. So that's gonna give us a little coconut flavor. Put that in there. All right. Then we've got the Langer's pineapple juice. Okay, shake that up and put a little Langer's in there.
Why don't you add more alcohol?
We are finally going to add the alcohol.
Oh.
We haven't added the alcohol yet. You're cut off. No more alcohol for me. Okay, Malibu Rum, right? Alcohol? Malibu Rum in there? Good. Woo! Alright. Ow! There. Got it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Get your cups ready.
Cups!
Alright. Here you go. There's a mango colada.
Nice.
Let's go! Oh my gosh, this is so good right here. This is like the serious stuff.
Alright, now,
Yeah.
where's the floater?
Wait,
where's the floater? Now, gotta add this. That's the floater, baby.
We should just dump this down the throat, right?
Woo! Yeah.
Yeah, man. I think it's sick.
Yeah, I think.
That's great. Yeah.
Woo! Good party, baby.